Easy versus hard words. Let's go. Easy word. Hard, advanced word. First word. Big, enormous. Second word. Small, tiny. Third word. Happy, delighted. Fourth word. Sad, miserable. Fifth word. Good, excellent. Sixth word. Bad, terrible. Seventh word. Fast, rapid. Eighth word. Slow, sluggish. Ninth word. Smart, intelligent. 10th word. Beautiful, gorgeous. 11th word. Angry, furious. 12th word. Scared, terrified. 13th word. Rich, wealthy. 14th word. Poor, needy. 15th word. Strong, powerful. 16th word. Weak, fragile. 17th word. Important, essential. 18th word. Funny, hilarious. 19th word. Dirty, filthy. Last word. Loud, deafening.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.